Hello everyone, our today's topic is freehand design for floor tiles. Let's see the material required for the drawing. Pencil, eraser, long scale, poster colors, brushes, palette, geometrical compass rounder, black micro tip pen, 1/4 side drawing paper. First, we are going to draw 1 centimeter borderline to a page. Write down the heading and a date. Now, fold the paper in 4 equal parts, vertically and horizontally. We got on a middle point here, the center point. We take 10 centimeter distance in a long scale, and with the center of these two lines we mark on a 10 centimeters, and with this technique we can mix on a 20 by 20 centimeter square on this paper while joining this all the 4 points we got. You can see this is our 20 by 20 centimeter square at the center of the page. These lines also we are going to highlight it, darken with the pencil. Here we got some 4 parts A, B, C, D. Now on the right hand side upper part we are going to draw on a design. Whatever design you want to draw for the tiles you can draw here. This is on a basic drawing for the tiles which I am recommended here. If you want to change in a drawing you can change it. You can draw your own drawing here, but you need to draw on a decorative drawing here. Don't draw any cartoon or other drawings here because this is in a decorative design for the floor tiles. So you need to draw on a decorative drawing. This is simple drawing I am going to draw here, which is generally we seen on a floor tiles. This is our drawing. Now we are going to darken this drawing with a dark pencil 8B or 6B, and with the freehand technique that we learn in the first assignment we trace the drawing from the upper sides and the lower sides by folding the page that we are going to learn in the first assignments. And now this drawing we are going to darken with our 2B or the 4B pencil so that we can get on a symmetrical drawings on all the 4 sides of the page. Here is our drawing for the tiles which we get after tracing the drawing. Now we apply on one basic tone or the wash on a paper. I am applying the yellow color wash on this design. This is a basic technique of the 2D design to apply and wash on a design which we learn in a very primary level. Now we apply some tones. Here I am using an orangish reddish tone. I am not directly use any color shade here. I am mixed two colors with each other to get these different tones here. I have mixed orange and crimson red together and I get this orangish reddish tone here. Now we apply a reddish shade by mixing a crimson red and poster red together, which we get a crimsonish reddish color. While applying a color on a paper, we need to focus on the perfection and the application of the color, which is very much important because the edge of the drawings you need to fill up properly. Otherwise, if your drawing is very good but the applications is not as good as your drawing, your final output of the drawing and the coloring is gets messed out and you get some bad impressions after completing your assignment. You can see how I apply on colors and applications on a paper with the brush, how I hold the brush so that it's easier for me to apply on a color. Here till now I am using an orangish reddish tone, red color, then light blue color as well as some green tones, and finally here I am using a reddish bluish color, which is also on a combinations of Persian blue and crimson red color. Generally in first assignments we are using on a primary and secondary colors, but this is our second level assignment of the freehand design. That's why here I am using a combinations of the two colors, which is also on a part of your learning. You must use or you must make on a different tones of the color, so you get your own identity of the tones for your design. Now in the center circles also I am using the same tone, so we can repeat the tones here. Here I am using a greenish ochreish tone, which is a combination of yellow ochre and oyster green, and this is a cream color or pink color, white plus crimson red. After completing the different applications of the tones in this design, we trace this drawing with the black macro tip pen, as well as some parts we trace with the white color, white lines, so we get vibrations here. Also we add some details with the some sequence and the designs, so designs looks more beautiful. This is our tracing with the black macro tip pen. If you are comfortable with the black macro tip pen, you can use black macro tip pen. Otherwise you can use zero number brush with the black and white colors. Here like I am using a zero number brush with the white color tracing. I hope you understand these demonstrations with the different color scheme and the designs for the floor tiles. Keep on practicing such kind of design to learn different techniques and types of the designs. Thank you. Best of luck.